Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Talk TV. Today we are going to talk about the new Tecno Phantom G Fold, it known as the world's thinnest foldable phone currently. Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring every feature of the Tecno Phantom G Fold and see if it really lives up to the hype. The Tecno Phantom G Fold is a game-changing device in the foldable phone market, and it's packed with innovative features that are sure to impress. This phone is not just a device, it's an experience. Traditional smartphones have been feeling a bit stale lately. I mean, how many times can we upgrade to a new phone with barely any changes? The screens are getting bigger, but our pockets aren't. Battery life is still a major concern, and multitasking is a struggle on small screens. Foldable technology aims to address these issues by offering a device that can adapt to our needs. One of the biggest pain points is having to switch between apps on a small screen. You have to go back and forth, and it can get really frustrating. With a foldable phone, you can have multiple apps open at the same time, making it a total game changer for productivity. Another challenge is storage. With a foldable phone, you can have a bigger screen without having to carry a bigger device. But let's not forget about the durability concerns. We've all heard about foldable phones breaking easily, but Tecno has taken steps to ensure their device can withstand everyday use. And then there's the price. Historically, foldable phones have been out of reach for many of us, but Tecno is working to make this technology more accessible. The Tecno Phantom G Fold boasts a stunning design that seamlessly transitions between folded and unfolded states. When you unfold it, you're greeted with a massive, edge-to-edge display that's perfect for watching videos or working on multiple tasks at once. The phone's functionality is also top-notch, with a powerful processor and ample storage to handle demanding tasks. The camera capabilities on the If you've got thoughts on foldable phones, I'd love to hear them. Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in more tech insights, be sure to check out my other videos.